Hello, my name is Anthony Polk, and this piece is going to be based on problems and solutions. Now, the one problem that everybody knows about, everything that's going wrong with the environment, and it keeps on building up until it might destroy us. And that thing is called pollution. Now, there was one person that says that water and air are two essential things that we need to live, that we need to live our lives. But it's but but we've been using it as a global trash can. Isn't we mean that those things have become worse and worse throughout time. Pollution is important to solve is because pollution is becoming worse and worse over time to a point where it might be irreversible or we can't do anything to stop it. Now, when I was when I was building up this speech, I was researching the topic about it, looked through articles, journals, news about the problem of pollution and how to solve it. Now, the first thing I want to say is that what is pollution? Well, pollution is harmful materials that are released onto the environment. It can be natural like volcano ashes, or it can be created by us people, like trash and raw products from factories, and they do destroy things that we need: air, water, and our land. As for example, air pollution can destroy the environment, destroy the atmosphere, and change it very drastically. It's been doing it for the past century. With a reduction of pollution in the with a with a sudden increase in primary pollution in the atmosphere. But there is a way to solve all of this. Now, I do have a PowerPoint here that's so I do have a PowerPoint here that shows that most of the world is experiencing high levels of pollution, especially countries that rely on more industrial things. Now, people have discovered ways of reducing pollution however they can, like reducing the number of trips you take in your car, not using a fireplace or wood stove all the time, by not burning leaves, trash, or any other materials, and and, and not using gas powered gardening equipment that you probably use every day. In the article that I read about, there are cities that use air quality information and emission data to help them plan out decisions of how to reduce the air pollution in that particular city. What they're saying is that cities can actually use air quality information and some data about the pollution to plan out ahead to reduce air pollution. Therefore, there is some hope that if cities can do it, that means countries can do it as well to probably reduce the number of pollutions that are being used in the world. Now, pollution is something that has been brought up a lot throughout, throughout the course of history, and how to deal with it and how to get rid of it. The importance of this problem is that so that the next generation will have the same thing that we're dealing with, so that we can better our planet. Now, people do try people do try their part in their community and their environment, so that so it becomes less and less frequent throughout the generation. Now, remember one thing, that y'all can stop pollution in your own way by speaking up, by, by telling someone in 100% running the state to help with this pollution problem so that this problem doesn't get out of hand, so it won't become a bigger problem. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed my speech.